Yes, student, we have completed our multi-impression 3-plate automatic mold and its marking and material list. How to mark and how to prepare the material list. I just summarized because it takes more time, but the style is the same for our mold. We have already made 3 to 4 mold and their material list, so you have no difficulty to prepare the material list and marking of the parts of the injection molds. So I just summarize. We just prepare one bubble and mark in its uh, text in the bubble. Then we just made an arrow with the help of polyline and then prepare this pull and rotate it in its direction required by us, and then pick where our component is appears, and then we uh, rotate it and keep it in such a position that anyone who is reading our mold or working on this mold practically in the workshop can see and recognize. And material list, the style of material list is the same as we have here last 3 activities, so I need not to spend much time for it. So we just pick a P1 for top plate, P2 for bolster plate, and size by checking here and the top view we can note here the top plate is extended 25 mm per side for the clamping in the machine, so it is 50 mm in X direction larger than the core and cavity plates. And the other plates just like core, cavity, stripper are the same size, and the runner stripper is inside the top plate mold so that it aligned with the mold. So the size of runner stripper is smaller and round. So there is cavity insert, secondary sprue puller, which is appears here, and their marking is 9. We just mark P9 here and secondary sprue. It is round, so we marks the diameter and height or thickness of the sprue, secondary sprue. So is it just like that? Sprue puller is of size diameter 8 and the length of sprue puller is the 38. Material used as required by the company or the life of the mold required. So material is very varied as per our requirement. The guide pillar and guide bush, the material of guide pillar and guide bush is standard. It is of the EN31 or simple EN2A and heat treated. The guide bush, there are many guide bushes because it has 2 openings, so every plate has its individual bushes, so the guide bushes are more. So all the guide bushes you can recognize here, and you can change the older list. Just copy that oldest list and paste here, then modify it just clicking double and change its number which is appears there, and part name what we mark here, and then its size you can change with the help of double clicking on the any text. So student, it is our final video for the activity number 5th, and next video is coming for the next activity. Thank you very much for the noting, and make note for that. Thank you.